There is good even in hurtful things. Page number 218.
There is good even in hurtful things. Adi heading. Heading. It is well known that the it is well known that the tailor's trade is not of the healthiest, is not one of the healthiest of occupations. We find in these good folks, if they are diligent workmen, usually emaciated legs, knock knees, a dragging of the left leg, round shoulders, the head bent forwards, drawn in abdomen, and so forth. Their complexion shows very painfully the unhealthiness of their occupation, loss of appetite, piles, constipation, weakness of the body, itch, etc. are things quite common among them, and yet there are cases in which this mode of life has been favorable to health. A young man in England was born with the feet turned inwards. A surgeon whom his mother consulted pronounced the deformity incurable. When he grew up, he could only walk with difficulty upon the outer border of his feet and heels. He always knocked one foot against the other and frequently fell. The muscles of his thighs and calves were extremely attenuated, and the turned-in feet were so deformed that shoes of a particular shape and tie had to be made for him. The poor house authorities bound him apprentice to a tailor, thinking that this was the only trade that his deformity permitted him to follow. In this work, whereby one usually sits at the shop board, as is well known, with the legs crossed, he observed a gradual change in his limbs, which without the slightest employment of external or internal remedies continued to turn outwards. In the course of 3 years, they attained their natural position. So that he could wear ordinary shoes, they were indeed directed more than usually outwards. వాడికి అదే వరమైంది. టైలర్ వృత్తి అనేటువంటిది మిగతా వాళ్ళకి ఎలా మంచిది కాకుండా వాళ్ళు ఇదైపోతున్నారో వీడికి అదే వరమైంది. ఎంత అబ్జర్వ్ చేసాడు అసలు ఆయన. The muscles of his legs grew stout, and his body was so well formed that he enlisted in the Marines, and thenceforward remained in the service. Probably in this case, a peculiar stiffness, rigidity of the muscles that adduct the foot was the cause why the abductor muscles could not maintain the balance of power, and so allowed the foot to be drawn inwards. The strain upon the farmer, when the legs were crossed at his work, stretched and relaxed them more, and thus the abductor muscles of the leg and foot were enabled gradually to attain their natural opposing power. Indeed, the latter gained in this way an excess of power, and his feet were turned outwards more than is usual. సరే ఎన్ని యాంగిల్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు ఆయన, అసలు ఎలాంటివి ఇచ్చారో అది. అసలు టైలరింగ్ చేసేవాడికి ఇలా అయిపోతాయి అనేటువంటిది ఆయన అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడం, ఇన్ని ఆస్పెక్ట్స్. ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు వాడిని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఇవన్నీ వాళ్ళు వచ్చాయనేటువంటిది, అంటే డెఫినెట్ గా ఆయన క్లినిక్ ముందు ఎవడో టైలర్ ఉండి ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ. అయితే మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయం, ఆయన అబ్జర్వ్ చేశాడు, అదొకటే తేడా.